Frustrated by the Data Usage Service DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. While preparing the manual steps for Data Usage Service, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Data Usage Service, the Microsoft Data Usage Dusmsvc service library. It manages the background monitoring and reporting of network data usage for both Wi-Fi and Ethernet interfaces. If corrupted, users will find the Data Usage section in Windows settings blank or non-responsive, and the system may fail to apply metered connection restrictions. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Data Usage Service DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Data Usage Service file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Be aware that manual interventions for Data Usage Service DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. One approach to reviewing Data Usage Service references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Data Usage Service. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.